Well, hello everyone, it's your Prince of the motherfucking Saiyans, and today I've got some very special news for all of you. For the first time ever in Anime Con history, finally, after all these years, we're getting a Dragon Ball Z only con. Oh yes, and the con is called Kameha Con, and yours truly will be there, including other popular people you may or may not know, such as Geekdom 101. I know a lot of you are like, wait, a Dragon Ball Z con? Are you kidding me? No, I'm not. And actually, while I'm here, I'm announcing that the very first guest to be announced for Kameha Con is the one, the only, my Bulma, Monica Riol. That's right, if you guys want to meet Monica Riol, she will be at this convention on May 4th through the May 6th in 2018 at Irving Convention Center in Texas. There will be a lot more guests that will be announced through other people. There's a lot of good guests coming, guys. Trust me, I'm not allowed to say anymore. Just wait for it. You will be very much impressed. This con has given yours truly the privilege to do a special giveaway to all of my fans. I am giving away 2 premium passes to this convention. That's right. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is simply comment at the bottom of this video, and I will put this through a random generator, and I will pick 2 people that have commented on this video to receive the premium weekend passes. And this con's gonna be amazing. It's a Dragon Ball Z con. There will be a lot of people involved. Geekdom 101 is the host of this fabulous con. And there's others that are gonna be hosting and being a part of it as well. But I don't want to give away that just yet. So please, everyone, if you want to be involved in this convention, get your tickets now. You better get in there and get your shit, because this shit's going to be sold out, and it will be gone. Okay, these tickets will be gone. When everyone's bought them, that's it. There's no way to get in. You will be getting in at the door. This shit will be sold out very quickly, I assure you. Get to commenting, everyone, right the fuck now, because this giveaway ends on Saturday. So get to commenting and leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more of me, and you will get the D.